All right, next part is late Saturday afternoon, June 17th, I believe, 2023, Under the Wing 78 in progress. Just pencil drew from photographs I made. 2 other children who died in the Nazi Third Reich Luftwaffe bombing of a town and a school on November 2nd, 1937 in Spain. So that's this. So I've got 2 girls, 1 boy, plus Miguel Hernandez and Gerda Taro. This child looks to be a boy, so I'll be going over this with ink. And this child looks to be a girl to me, as was the child in the photograph I used to do this first child's portrait there. I assume the signage were, these photographs were taken posthumously after the bombing, and the bodies were recovered. So that one's going to be facing that way. And I've signed that drawing down here, so I'm going to frame it. As I've mentioned, it's going to be framed vertically. And I'm going to be drawing some allegorical Balechi sea monsters in these open sections here. After I finish these 2 other portraits of the children murdered by the Nazis. All right, Spanish children. They were probably Catholic. All right, there you have it for now. To be continued. Thanks. I heard a couple of chirps over here. Appreciate the input. Foul input is always very, very, very nice. Yes.